Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for the Escalade stuff. So we posted the video. We had been working with AAA along with the customer for like 2 weeks. Sorry, it's windy out here. To try to get resolution of when they installed the battery and damaged the battery. And we tried and tried and tried. Then we made the video, which was double-edged content. I kind of decided it was a good idea to make the video and hopefully somebody important would see it, and somebody did. Somebody saw it that could make a difference and help. And Miss W, we got a hold of the day I posted the video. You guys did amazing. Somebody saw it at AAA, contacted me, and they said, is there anything we do to help? I said, yeah, please call the local Tulsa office and tell them what's going on, that we just want this lady's car fixed without her paying more money. I will put a battery in this car and you can pay for it, or you can come fix it. I don't care, however you want to do it. We just want to take care of this customer. And today this car is sitting here in the lot ready to be given back to the customer. She is ready to come pick it up. AAA put it in there. It originally came to us for all those weird issues and stuff, and she had the battery replaced because she thought she had a battery draw. What it looks like is that everything is fixed on the car. It just needed the replacement battery the entire time. So this 3-week ordeal, 2.5-week ordeal was all resolved. So I want to thank all of you guys for sharing the video, and thank you, Mr. W, actually, which is funny, not related to Miss W, Mr. W with AAA, who got a hold of someone locally and helped us resolve this issue for this car. So we got it taken care of. Remember, your voice matters, so I really appreciate all you guys for doing what you did and getting it to where we could fix this vehicle. So there you go. Thanks, everybody.